you've been waiting for the right time to build a new PC or really upgrade your rig, I have some bad news for you people. That time might not come for a very, very long time. Now, according to the latest report from Tom's Hardware, memory prices have surged 500% in just 12 months, with some kits now even costing 10 times their historical lows. Diving into the story in just a bit, but here's an update you cannot miss. At Cypher 2026, we are bringing together extraordinary minds across domains, featuring Indian chess grandmaster Arjun Erigesi, creative media producer Lakshmi R. Iyer, and climate tech innovator Sumit Dagar. Whether it's mastering decision-making under pressure or scaling sustainable AI solutions, this is a stage that you don't want to miss. Join us at KTPO in Bengaluru this October. With that, here's the story. Now, the numbers are frankly staggering. A 128 GB DDR5 kit, which once hit lows of $329, is now sitting at a wallet-shattering $3,399. Now, even standard 32 GB kits have jumped from under $100 to nearly $400 in a span of a year. Across the industry, the cost of DDR5 has essentially exploded, and the shockwave has literally spilled into the DDR4 market, driving those prices up by nearly 180% as desperate builders scramble for alternatives. Now, you might ask, why is this happening in the first place? It's not just market volatility here, it's the AI gold rush. Large AI labs and massive data centers are hoarding DRAM and HBM supply at unprecedented scale to feed their hunger for training clusters. Essentially, the world's memory supply is being diverted from the consumer market directly into the enterprise AI pipeline. As Tom Hardware notes, this AI-induced crunch has effectively undone nearly 20 years of hardware affordability progress in less than a year. Now, let's also talk about the impact. Now, this isn't just about expensive PC bills. We are seeing a fundamental shift in the industry. OEMs are already signaling a move towards lower spec hardware just to keep the prices palatable, while the gaming industry faces the long-term threat of hardware being too expensive for the average player. Now, when the barrier to entry for high-performance computing becomes a mortgage payment, the hobbyist is the first one out of the door. Here, of course, ladies and gentlemen, is the front page take on the story. Is this a temporary hike? Is it the new reality? We don't know that yet. While manufacturers claim that this is a supply-demand imbalance, it feels like we've reached a point where the consumer is no longer the priority. We are essentially living in a tech ecosystem where AI infrastructure takes precedence over your ability to game, your ability to create, or your ability to work. If you need RAM, buy it now, because the experts aren't really betting on prices coming down anytime soon. So let us know what you think in the comments below, viewers. Are you shelving your PC upgrade plans, or are you paying the AI tax to keep your rig current? This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by AM Network. Like, share, and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AI.